Court calls the case, People versus Xavier Priester.
Ashley Lonnie for the people.
Afternoon, Your Honor. May it please the Honorable Court, Jerome Barney P. 28321, representing Mr. Priester, who's standing to my right.
State your name.
Xavier Priester.
All right. Well dressed. All right.
And I asked the prosecutor if they had any particular offers. They said to wait for the prosecutor who's in charge of this case to talk to them.
Your Honor, unfortunately, the defendant is still testing positive for THC, and he's been on bond now for about 2 months. I'm not willing to negotiate any offers in this case, so I'm concerned that he's still potentially using. I know the court said that if he continued to test positive, it's going to request levels. I haven't received anything with levels yet, but I don't know if the court has, so it's asking.
It was last here on October 3rd. And I know your attorney told you that you shouldn't be using. So, young man, I'm just going to ask you one question. Yes. Have you stopped? Because okay, and so that you understand, I'm going to call over and get levels. And so I'm going to know. And I know because I was giving your attorney an opportunity, he was going to talk to you about it, and I'm sure he did, because he's a man of his word. So my question to you is, have you stopped?
No, I haven't.
Why?
Made a mistake and it won't happen again.
Corporal Holland. Why?
Stressed out.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Said he's stressed out. So you lied to the court when you did that. You lied to your attorney.
He didn't lie to me, Your Honor.
He told you he was going to stop the last time he was here.
He did say that. When I asked him if he stopped, he told me no. And because he was stressed out.
What are we going to do on this case? You want it set for exam? You want an adjournment, counsel? What do you want me to do?
Your Honor, I think I've gotten through to him about.
I don't know whether you have, counsel. Mr. Varney, and I'll tell you, I have the utmost respect for you. I know you sat there and told this young man the right thing to do. I know you did. He's just not listening.
Your Honor, his issue is he's got a serious case that we're trying to negotiate some sort of something that will give him a chance to be a productive person.
I know, counsel. And I'll tell you what I'll do. At this point, I'm going to set a probable cause conference for next week, 31st, 2024, 9 a.m. or as your Zoom bite indicates at this point, because you violated your bond conditions. I gave you a break, told you not to do it. You gotta understand, you gotta quit playing around.
I will. Made a mistake.
No, you didn't make a mistake. Here's what you did. You decided you wanted to do it your way.
Okay.
And everybody was trying to give you an opportunity not to do that. And you messed it up. That's what's really happened.
Yeah.
And as much as it pains me, now you've got to face the consequences for it. So I'm setting it for next week, counsel. At this point, I'm going to revoke his bond, defendant's remanded. And then we can figure out how we can go forth.
That concludes this matter, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.